Have you ever wondered what's behind the magic of ChatGPT? Let's embark on an extraordinary adventure into the heart of this impressive language model. We're stepping into an arena of discovery where science merges with linguistics to offer you an unparalleled understanding of artificial intelligence. We'll delve into the intricate workings of ChatGPT, decoding the complex algorithms that bring about its linguistic prowess. By exploring this masterpiece, you will not only satisfy your curiosity, but also gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of technology. We will dissect the mechanism that drives its function, examine the layers of neural networks, and analyze millions of parameters that finely tune its output. We'll walk you through its capacity for generating human-like text, the vastness of its capabilities, the wide array of applications it has across various sectors. We're going to shed light on how you can employ this revolutionary technology to its maximum capacity. This includes not just input-based text generation, but also possibilities of machine learning algorithms and AI applications. So prepare for an exciting exploration. ChatGPT, a product of OpenAI, is a remarkable language model rooted in the GPT 3.5 architecture, better known as Generative Pre-trained Transformer. This extraordinary innovation is the product of countless hours of research and development undertaken by a dedicated team of passionate data scientists and AI enthusiasts. The essence of ChatGPT lies within its architecture, aptly named GPT 3.5, an acronym for Generative Pre-trained Transformer 3.5 version. When it comes to understanding the dynamics of this technology, it is crucial to grasp the importance of the term pre-trained. This essentially refers to the fact that ChatGPT has been subjected to an extensive learning process before it's even put into use. It's like a supercharged student who's absorbed an immense volume of data, including text from books, articles, and the internet, turning it into a repository of knowledge. This pre-training phase allows ChatGPT to generate human-like text on the input given to it. However, it's not just about volume here. It's also about the diversity and richness of the data that it has accessed during its pre-training phase. It has been fed with a humongous amount of diversified data that allows it to respond to a wide range of prompts, making it an indispensable tool for many applications, including creative writing, customer support, and even tutoring. Oh, and there's one more thing. The term generative in its name signifies its ability to generate, or more specifically, to produce text that is contextually relevant and coherent, further enhancing its resemblance to human language capabilities. So, in a nutshell, GPT 3.5 or Generative Pre-trained Transformer is not just a fancy name. It embodies the essence of what ChatGPT is all about. A language model trained on a mind-boggling amount of data, turning it into a language-proficient dynamo. Time to unravel the workings of ChatGPT, a model operating on the principle of unsupervised learning. This sophisticated model is a marvel of modern technology, representing a cutting-edge innovation in the field of artificial intelligence. ChatGPT's core functionality is rooted in its ability to learn and adapt autonomously from the data it encounters, continuously evolving its capabilities with increasing interaction. In essence, it mirrors the human capacity for learning, albeit in a digitized format. At the heart of its design lies an intricate algorithm, functioning much like an extremely intelligent assistant. This assistant doesn't just process and respond to commands, it goes a step beyond. It grasps, comprehends, and generates text that's extraordinarily human-like, in a way that's almost uncanny. With every interaction, its comprehension of context and ability to produce coherent, relevant responses improve. The more data it experiences, the more refined and adept it becomes, achieving a level of responsiveness that's truly astounding. The beauty of ChatGPT lies not just in its intelligence, but also its accessibility. It's like being able to engage in a conversation with a particularly knowledgeable friend whenever you want, right at your fingertips. It's like engaging in a conversation with a particularly knowledgeable friend. ChatGPT's applications are virtually limitless. It's a powerful tool can be applied to a multitude of tasks. Its versatility can be seen in content creation, writing aid, coding assistance, and the generation of novel ideas. It's not just for individual use. Businesses are utilizing it for customer interactions, developers for programming aid, and writers to generate fresh ideas. Truly, it's a versatile tool that caters a wide array of language tasks. It's like owning a multifaceted Swiss Army knife for all your language tasks. Now, it's time to unveil how you can optimize ChatGPT's perks. The first tip is the precision of your prompts. The more explicit and comprehensive your command, the superior the result. Second, tweak the temperature setting. High settings yield diverse results, whereas low concentrates answers. Tip 3, don't shy away from reiterating and honing your prompts. It's all about finding the ideal equilibrium. Now comes the exciting part, putting ChatGPT to the test. This is where the rubber meets the road, the moment of truth. Our AI model, ChatGPT, is about to be put under the spotlight. We've spent countless hours training it, fine-tuning its abilities, making it as responsive and versatile as possible. And now, it's time for the ultimate test. Witness as it boldly steps into the arena, ready to tackle a diverse range of prompts. Just sit back and watch the magic unfold. Watch as it rapidly generates intelligent responses, nuanced and rich in detail. You're about to witness a spectacle of AI technology, a testament to human innovation. The anticipation is building, the tension palpable. Its skills will be on full display, and every response will be a revelation of its abilities. It's always a thrill to see it in action. That wraps up our exploration of the incredible world of ChatGPT. This AI brings a fascinating world of opportunities, expanding as we speak. The more you delve, the more you're left fascinated. It's a journey of discovery and enlightenment, a peek into the future of technology. If this journey intrigued you, show your love with a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more such engaging content by subscribing and share your thoughts on using ChatGPT. Your feedback is our motivation. Our journey together doesn't stop here, as there's so much more to explore. Until our next adventure, keep exploring.